Welcome to HomeDesigner. In the next 3 minutes, we'll draw a floor plan, add doors, windows and furniture, explore it in 3D, and export a PDF. We start a new project from the HomeDesigner dashboard. The editor opens with a clean, accurate floor plan canvas. The left toolbar keeps every design tool within easy reach. Choose whether to draw a room or individual walls. Click to place wall points and define the layout. Drag corners to correct dimensions without redrawing everything. Next, open the Doors and Windows catalog. Choose a style that matches the space. Apply flooring to give each room visual character. Select Finish and HomeDesigner detects the enclosed rooms. Now open the furniture library from the same toolbar. Browse by room so the catalog stays manageable. Select an item and preview it before placement. Move and rotate furniture directly on the plan. Small decor pieces make the layout feel lived in. Lighting options help complete the room design. You can also place practical electrical fixtures. Here we add a wide patio slider. Outdoor categories extend the plan beyond the walls. Add garden details to connect inside and outside. Exterior finishes can be changed independently. Roof choices help complete the building's silhouette. Window treatments add privacy and personality. Door details can be refined without rebuilding walls. Finish the layout with any final practical details. Click Place Item, then choose its exact position. Selected items expose fuss controls for precise adjustments. Open Furnish it to continue building the room. Choose the next piece from the Focused category. Place each item one at a time for control. Use item controls whenever size or orientation needs refining. Select and Move makes repositioning immediate. Keep adding furniture while the floor plan remains visible. For the next room, switch to the Bedroom category. Browse beds, storage, and bedroom essentials. Arrange the main pieces around available walking space. Add smaller accents only after the layout works. Place the selected bedroom item into the plan. Fine-tune its position with the same familiar controls. With the plan complete, switch into 3D. The model opens as a furnished spatial preview. Adjust quality settings to match your device. Orbit the model to inspect the whole design. Changes remain connected between 2D and 3D. The 3D toolbar keeps viewing controls close by. Lock finished elements to prevent accidental edits. Enable the lock once the item is positioned. Locked elements remain manageable from their settings. Now start walkthrough for a first-person view. Move through rooms and check real-world clearances. This makes scale and furniture placement easy to judge. Open the Project menu for saving and export options. Project History protects your progress as the design evolves. Help remains available whenever you need a quick explanation. More options reveal additional viewing controls. Ultra Mode gives the walkthrough its best visual quality. Return to the project controls when the tour is complete. Switch back to the clear 2D plan. Open Export to package the finished design. Choose PDF document for a shareable floor plan file.
That is HomeDesigner. From an empty canvas to a furnished floor plan, an interactive 3D walkthrough, and a professional PDF. Try it on Android or desktop at homedesignerapp.com.